Hello everyone, welcome back to Nature Connection. Today, we are embarking on a journey to explore one of the most amazing and unbelievable wonders of nature, Meghalaya's living root bridges. These natural marvels, unique to the northeastern region of India, showcase the harmonious relationship between humans and the environment. So let's dive into the lush landscapes of Meghalaya and discover the magic of these living structures. Nestled in the northeastern part of India, Meghalaya, often referred to as the abode of clouds, is a state blessed with breathtaking landscapes, dense forests, and a rich cultural heritage. Join us for a short hike as we transverse through the lush rainforest, starting at Riwai village to reach the Jingmaham Living Root Bridge and learn more about these unique structures. By the way, the whistling or the siren like sound that you hear is of an insect and a very common insect across the rainforests in Meghalaya.
ठीक है.
So, what exactly are living root bridges? They are simple suspension bridge formed of living plant roots by tree shaping. They are handmade by Khasi and Jayantia tribes in Meghalaya, a state in northeastern part of India. The process involves guiding the roots of Ficus elastica, a species of rubber tree, to grow across rivers and streams, creating natural living bridges. The result? A stunning blend of nature's engineering and human ingenuity. The bridge that we are visiting today is a 300-year-old man-made bridge built across the stream by intertwining the aerial roots of rubber trees around a beetle tree trunk. The roots kept growing out and entwining the trunk, and the bridge was elongated to the desired destination and took about 10 to 15 years to completion. The roots thickened over time, and the bridge was further strengthened with stones, sticks, leaves, bamboos, and other items, creating a durable and flexible bridge that can withstand the region's heavy rainfall and flooding. This is till date still the only means for the villagers to cross the streams to reach the other side. These living root bridges are not just engineering marvels, They hold immense cultural significance for the Khasi and Jayantiya communities. These structures are more than just bridges. They are living testaments to the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature. If you ever have the opportunity to visit Meghalaya, make sure to explore these wonders for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more nature adventures, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy exploring with Nature Connection.